Hi, it's Adam from Buzzy here. Got a pretty cool demonstration today if you're looking to find product market fit. If you're familiar with Sean Ellis, and if you happen to have seen Rahul from Superhuman's demo of how you can do that, we've implemented that as a Figma template. It's free. You can download it off the Figma community site, and you can embed it into your product journey to ask users a couple of quick questions. Let's have a look at what they are. So the first question you're going to ask is, how would you feel if you could no longer use the product today? Very disappointed, somewhat disappointed, or not disappointed. Sean defines that if you get to that 40% mark of very disappointed or more, you've found product market fit. Rahul talks about, well, what happens if you're not there? How do you get there? So you want to ask a few extra questions. So what type of people do you think would most benefit from your product? So if you're looking at the somewhat disappointed, you want to find out who they are so you can work out how to improve things. You also want to find out what was the main benefit that they saw from your product, and find out your weaknesses as well, is what could you improve. When you know those things, you know who to target, what to fix in the product, and how to get them over the line. We've made it very easy for you to be able to see whether you've reached that 40% mark. And you can also go and have a look at your survey results. But here, this is just dummy data, but you can do that. Now, this is a responsive application that can run on the web, or as a native app that you can embed into your applications and ask the users at the right time. So we've made this a free Figma template. This is it. You can download it, install it. We've got some simple instructions here of how to set it up and get going. And literally within minutes, you can have this working on the web. You can customize it again. That's one of the cool things about Figma. You can customize it. One of the cool things about Buzzy is we can take those Figma templates and we can turn them into either working, responsive web applications or native applications, no code. Go and give it a try. Start finding product market fit today. Thanks for watching.